Welcome to our English learning channel. Learn English with us step by step. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. In this video, Arjun and Maya meet each other. They introduce themselves. They talk about family, friends, daily life, and travel. Watch carefully and practice with us. Let's learn English together. Hello, my name is Maya. What's your name?
Hi Maya, my name is Arjun. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Arjun, where are you from?
I am from America, and you?
I am also from America. I live in New York. Where do you live?
I live in California, with my family.
Oh, that's nice. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family: my father, mother, 1 brother, 1 sister, and me. What about your family?
My family is small. I live with my parents and 1 younger brother.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have some good friends from school and college. We often go shopping and talk together. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do. I have friends from school, and we often play basketball in the evening.
That's great. What do you usually do every day?
I wake up early in the morning. I eat breakfast, then I go to college. After classes, I study, play games, and watch TV. What about you?
I also wake up early. I help my mother go to school and study in the afternoon. In the evening, I read books and sometimes watch movies.
Do you like traveling, Maya?
Yes, I love traveling. Last summer, I went to Washington, D.C. with my family. We visited museums and parks. Do you like traveling?
Of course. I went to Florida last year. The beaches were very beautiful.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Do you want to travel to other countries one day?
Yes, I want to visit France and Japan in the future. What about you?
I want to visit England and Turkey. I like learning about other cultures.
That's wonderful. Maybe one day we can travel together.
Yes, that would be fun. Me too, Arjun. Let's stay in touch and be good friends.
Sure. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Bye.